Rahbor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she Spah % ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki Pulit ka North Garo Hills District Police kila yob an Pyllait ya uwe uhe Spah ubala sya Rahbor ha kilangot ki Runar ha ka Shiteng sngi ka arpusan trek uyayong araja pun rio. Ukurwo bala pha do Superintendent of Police ka North Garo Hills District shikila patai kubor ha ka arpunyap trek uyayong aja pun rio ula pentip ba ha ka por kumbalai beje no phai sngi. Ki Pulit ka Bajeng Doba Police Station kila yo jingtem na kirio patba bagi brio ki bamla ban itu durkman kila Rahbor ya we uhe Spah na ka syong bolsong da ka bapenan kam ya ka we ka kali Taurus Ertiga rong rupa ka badan ya registration number ML not pra K san pra rupra. Mar ki Pulit ka Bajeng Doba Police Station kila pelong ya ka jingpen upshrim ha masingre bat ha kapor kumba lai Shiteng ka kali bala suba Rahbor bat rengkat ka thuk jong ubasya Rahbor balanya da we ni kinong Rahbor kila sya bat ha ki Pulit. Ha bala talasi ya ka kali ki Pulit kila lap ya he Spah Hapoh ka kali bat mar kila Pyllait ya USP ula pentip ba ha ka jing tokit kila ngot ki Runar kila pla bala Khang Kdong yo he Spah hasurong bolsong aja bat kila thep ya Hapoh ka kali Ertiga bat nalor kata kila kini jubor yo shabi thuk bat ya ka mobile phone bat dawaru ya ka trading license jong bat talasi ru ya ka met jong barok away. Shosho USP ula pentip ba kila ngot ki Runar kila luti ya ka pisa ka badan laipo hajar tingka nau he Spah bat kila thep jubor ya Hapoh ka kali. Uwe ni ki Runar ulanya ya ka thuk jong he Spah da ka babut lang na dien jong ka kali ka ba ki Runar kila pendan kam. Da ka jing pertabrio jong ubasya Rahbor ki paitba dong song shdong tang shuyo iya kani kila pentip sya ki Pulit. Ki laingot ki Runar ki beran keti ki dei ki bala ithu kerteng kum utegra CH Marang uba ki chukhat sin kum utogan uba lai pendrius nem karta ubasa hadura banda Chambugong South Garo Hills u dipon di sangma ubalai pupras nem karta ubasa ha Dobakol West Garo Hills Livingston ar Marang ubalai pulais nem karta ubasa ha Lower Dobasi Para West Garo Hills. USP ula pentip bah jing tokit utengra CH Marang ubaki jukhat sin kumutogan ula kam baudi udukhat jang kawe ka kenhun seng bhalang balaptip kerteng kum ka United Garo People's Forum. Hakabaya day bakni jingja ki Pulit kla register case ha Bajeng Doba Police Station Hapoh ki Kdong jang Bhartiya Nyay Sanhita.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki we ni pishat roti shat cake bat ki we na ka benta ka koi ka khya jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba pinyo ek license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap an upload ru ki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo ki designated officers lani food safety officers ki badan hak office terekam jong lani ka district medical and health officer habro ki district ki badan hamegalaya lat no tang ha is khasi hers pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ki badan halowa la chumya naka benta ka kot ka khya ki nong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya but Blakarshan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka shnong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka shnong de la khot ka la yat de ki la pen sngo hi na shnong e ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki ru ki don hi kan we bet ya ki ka stan jong ka tourism department mangi nam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban permi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan na kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pej yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kano ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hangni shuaban take up yung project day ban su thu bakla habang warra yaki investment habang warra yaki bakum kini ki project net yang nga opi ka ba khaddu ki jimuntoy kan long yangi ki kon samna.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.